Hi Ultimate Gardeners, welcome back to the Ultimate Gardening channel. I'm Emmanuel Arce, the Ultimate Gardener. My goal is to help you guys grow in the garden industry and help you guys become an Ultimate Gardener. So in today's exciting spawning video, I'll be teaching you guys on how to plant plugs. So plugs is a humongous way on how to get a ton of plants but in a small form. And this way, a lot of garden centers carry these very rarely, but I was able to get my hands on some. And these are, of course, new products towards the Ultimate Plant Company that is coming up. And so we have a ton of new colors and a ton of mini plants that have to be potted up for you guys because we're getting really close to 1,000 subscribers, you guys. We're at 876. So if you aren't already subscribed to the Ultimate Gardening channel, please do so. It would mean the entire world to me if you do. So I'll be basically in this video, I'll be teaching you guys how to plant them, how to care for them, and that's basically what we're gonna be doing for the video. And then of course I'll be filming individual videos on my company YouTube channel, which is the Ultimate Plant Company. If you guys want to go ahead and check the channel out, link is up here for you guys to check out. Go subscribe to that channel and you'll be able to see all the production towards every single one of these colors. This morning I started, and so I'm gonna go ahead and finish it off, and we have a ton of colors and a ton of new varieties for you guys. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump right into this video. So guys, plugs is a form of way on how to start all your plants. For example, Lowe's and Home Depot get their plants as plugs and they grow them on, and then that's how they prepare them to sell to you guys. So I was able to get my hands on a few plugs because here at the Ultimate Garden we'll be, you know, opening up to local selling very soon, because here in Florida we have extreme temperatures. We're at the high 80s, you guys, and so we are soon able to go ahead and sell these to you guys. So if anybody lives near the Florida area or the Mount Margate area, please contact me through my Instagram page or my email. Links are down below on how you guys can contact me in case you guys are thinking to purchase some of these plants, because of course inventory for local people are going to be way earlier than online people, because you know we're preparing until 1,000, but here locally you'll be able to get your plants way sooner. So let me show you what a plant is. So all of these haven't have their name yet, except a few have their name yet, which, for example, this plug right here is going to be named the Strawberry Burst Petunia. So this is how a plug looks like, you guys. A very good root system, a mini plant, maybe has flowers, and you pot this up and it'll grow into a very new plant. A huge shout out to Jenny from Creekside Nursery. She does a lot of videos on plugs and all that type of stuff. So if you want to check her out, I'll leave one of the videos she did on plugs up here for you guys to check out. So make sure to go check out that video and show her some support. So now let's go ahead and move on to the planting part. So guys, planting petunias is planting plugs is one of my favorite things to do. If all my plants were available in plugs, I would plant them because I highly enjoy plugs, you guys. So you're just gonna get your container. This is our main container here, and so we're gonna get this and we're gonna get our plug. You can see the size of the plug is almost the exact same size as the pot. So the thing we're gonna do is just get a little tiny bit of soil and put it on the bottom, so you know we can have that space between container and root. We're gonna place it down here, like basically like that, so we have a tiny bit of soil down there. We're gonna have that in the bottom, and then we're gonna stick down our plant like that in the pot, and then we're just gonna go ahead and put soil all around the edges until it reaches the top. You're gonna press it down, and that's how you plant a plug, you guys. If you want a more detailed video, you guys, check out the company channel, because we'll be going through every single color on these, on how to plant them and the production towards them. So if you want to know more details on that, go to the company channel and you'll learn a ton more over there, because over there in this company thing has been a huge mix-up, because we've went from being the Ultimate Gardening business to the Ultimate Hibiscus Company, and now to the Ultimate Plant Company. And we're just gonna keep it at, it has been changed because a few things had to be changed, so we're just gonna say that. So I'm gonna pot up all the red petunias, and then I will be right back to you guys, or I will pot most of these up, and then we will go from there. So yeah, pretty sure I'm just gonna plant one tray of petunias, and then we're gonna end off the video there so I can have more time to film detailed videos on the company channel. So let me go ahead and jump right into this project. So guys, that's it for this exciting spreading video. I did a few plantings. In total, these are 16 cuttings, you guys, or plugs that I planted, which is amazing. And for example, the royal carpet purple petunia is so full already as a plug. It is like crazy, you guys. And of course, like, some of the petunias are different in size and stuff like that. One of them that is kept really small is the pink lemonade petunia right here, you guys. This one is pretty small when it's a plug, but when it grows on to be big, it should be full of color and all that types of stuff. And of course, you'll be able to know all the names of these, on how they were named, and the entire details on the plants on the Ultimate Plant Company channel. So make sure to go check that out. I have other 3 more trays of 16 count plugs to go ahead and plant up. So I have my work cut out for me today, you guys. So that's basically it for what we have for you guys today. Hopefully you found this video entertaining and informative, because I love doing this stuff for you guys, and it's so, like, it makes me happy knowing that you guys learned a few things from these videos. But once again, if you want a detailed video, go to the Ultimate Plant Company channel and you will know a lot over there. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button. And if you want to support my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you want to get notified when a new exciting spreading video comes out, just like this one, make sure to hit that bell notification button so you get notified when a new exciting spreading video comes out. Thank you all so much for watching this video, and never forget to grow big, Ultimate Gardeners. Bye guys.